This is a short video tutorial to help show the site requirements for a standard setup of the
Jura XJ9.
Everything that we're about to show you should be arranged ahead of any machine installation to avoid any aborted installs.
A common mistake that people tend to make is forgetting to leave room above the machine to allow easy access to the ingredient canisters. Ideally there would be no covers above the machines at all, but please be sure to allow an additional 15 to 20 centimeters above the coffee machine to ensure easy access. Milk chillers will need to be positioned to the left of the machine because of the location of the milk inputs. Depending on which milk fridge you've opted for, please make sure you consider the width of that exact chiller if you're particularly tight on space. We'll provide some dimensions of those in the description as well. Coffee machines require a considerable amount of power from a UK main socket. We therefore recommend that the machine is plugged directly into a main socket rather than an extension lead, which helps minimise the risk of fire hazards. These will need to be within about 1 metre of the machine for the plug to reach. Some machines can be anywhere from around 30 kilos to 80 kilos and beyond. Add this to the milk chiller and any other items you might have on the counter already and it soon starts to add up. You will need to make sure that the countertop where you're planning to house the machine will be sturdy enough to take the weight. Particle board isn't particularly sturdy, so it would be best to avoid placing the machine on top of anything made from this material. Changing the settings on the Jura XJ9 is nice and easy. To access the machine settings, start by pressing the P button on the top and use the navigation buttons to scroll through the menu. You can head over to the display settings for brightness and contrast, or change the screen background for a more personal touch. A useful feature with this machine is its ability to display how many drinks have been prepared over its lifetime. This stores information about all of the different drinks that have been prepared. It also shows how many drinks have been made on that particular day to help you keep track. If you're looking to change the drink settings, simply head over to Expert Mode and Settings and then select the drink you're looking to alter. You'll be faced with a variety of options, for example the coffee volumes, milk and milk foam volumes, and then the temperature of the drink. If you'd like to change any of the product names, simply use the dial up top to enter each of the characters.
Hopefully this has helped to visualise the requirements for housing the
Jura XJ9.
We very rarely encounter people that can meet all of the requirements straight away, so don't worry if you don't quite have everything in place. If you've got any questions about anything you've seen in this tutorial, feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help come up with a solution that's going to work well for you.